Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove OneDrive account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer, or if you don't find this right here, just click on the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find this, go ahead and click on Open, and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, and so on. Click on OneDrive and then you can right click on it. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in new tab, open in new window, and so on. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find these three options. Always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly, right here, you're going to find OneDrive. You can click on it, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to view online. You're going to find settings, and here you're going to find folder color. So go ahead and click on settings, and then this will take you to this window right here. Here, as you can see guys, you're going to find sync and backup, account, notifications, and lastly here you're going to find about. So go ahead and click on sync or click on account. And then right here, as you can see guys, if you want to remove the account, first of all, click on unlink this PC. Then they're going to ask you if you are sure about unlinking this PC. Your OneDrive files will stop syncing. Locally available files will remain on this device, while online only files will be removed. The next step, once you unlink this PC, click on add an account. And then once you do that, just go ahead and add your account right here. Click on sign in, and then you're going to be able to add the account right here. And then you're going to be able to remove your old account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.